Welcome back to Crazy Dave's Crew. I'm Laura, and I think it's time to talk about some tools, especially the brand new tool that I got for Christmas. So don't go away, I can't wait to show you. My husband got me a smart iron. I've had this other one that I've had for years, and it served its purpose. It still worked. Everything's great on it. But I have to admit, I've really been wanting one of these. And he got one. So talk about a surprise. I think I was even hugging it when I opened it. So let's open it. Let's see how it works. I like that. It says, hello. All right. And I've already read through all the papers. And I think one of the things I'm liking about this is it said, do not use distilled water, use tap water. And it's a plug up and go. So that's really neat. All right. Irons and me, there's a funny story. It wasn't funny at the time, it hurt like crazy. But my mother was ironing my father's shirts. And I remember, I was little, we were in a trailer in Franklin, I think. Well, I was 4 when we moved into the house that I grew up in. So, I was little. And I do have a vague memory of getting up on a stool, because I wanted to iron too. Well, yeah, burned my hand. Because I saw my mom, doing her iron and over with Dad's shirts, and I didn't realize she was moving her hand, so I was going to do it too. Well, yeah. But I survived. Alright. So, I have a plug over here. We're going to plug it up. Alright, so right when I plugged it up, it lifted. And looks like it says, oh, check that out. Let's do that again. I love it. I can turn that iTouch off if I wanted to. I don't want to. All right, let's see here. No. All right, so we've got synthetic, woolen silk, linen and cotton. We're going to let that just kind of heat up. Okay, are you not loving that? And it even has this message over here on the side that not to worry if there's water in the tank. That means it was tested. We're going to take that sticker off. I'm not going to put water in it. So we've got a very comprehensive user manual. And we have some pictures for telling you what all the parts are, the spray nozzle, the detailer tip, the sole plate, scorch guards, flip funnel, water tank, steam selector. So we're going to go dry pressing. And I think I need some fabric. All right, this is a good one because it is very crinkled. So while my hand is on it, I love it. No more having to set it up, worry about it getting knocked over. And I've gotten really nice. That was great. No pressure at all. Just a light set down to press it. Okay, that's going to be a little hard to remember, that I don't have to set it on its side. I also noticed in the manual it has, let's see, yeah, it says you're supposed to fill it unplugged, set it up, iron, don't fill it past the max line, can dry iron. Okay. It was somewhere where I saw it has an automatic shut off, and this was one that I really liked. Alright, so it's got an automatic shut off. So if you haven't used it in this horizontal position, after 30 minutes it's going to automatically shut off. If you decide to do it the vertical, it's going to shut off after 30 minutes. But do you know what's neat? I'll admit this is one I'm really pleased with. If it's knocked over, the shut off time is 30 seconds. So very safe. And depending upon what style you get, it could be as low as 8 minutes, but the maximum is 30 minutes to shut off. And so I really like that. So I can see me using this a lot. I love this. So ironing, and then up. Okay, I have to ask y'all, who's got the best husband in the world? He is so good to me, and he knows I've been wanting one, and he is wanting things to be safe. He wants me to be careful. He wants me to have an easier time of things. He wants to make me more productive, and he's doing all that just for me. So this is just superb. Is this not awesome? They're not, you know, $20. It's a few dollars. Watch the sales, watch the coupons. I think he got me this off of Amazon, and it wasn't terrible at all. I'm real pleased. We will have a link in the description to kind of, if you want to check it out yourself, check out the link down in the description. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Be sure to like the video and hit that bell so you're notified when we put up new videos. I do believe we're going to be doing some tools, some of the, my favorite things that I use, and I'll be wanting some input back from you guys. But an iron, you need your cutting mat, you need your iron, you need your ironing board, you need a sewing machine. So this is definitely a little luxury item for me, and it's going to get used a lot. Like I said, the safety feature is just very necessary, very useful, will come in handy, and I have to appreciate him looking out for me. I also like this swivel cord here. That's kind of neat. It's going to take me a while to get used to that. But this is really awesome. So check that out. Once again, just a light pressing, no real force down there. And boom, we got magic. And then I have a very smooth piece of fabric. So I'm very pleased with this Christmas present and say thank you to my hubby for taking such good care of me. I would be interested in knowing, so please leave some comments. Let me know what kind of iron you use. What's your favorite? I said I've been wanting one of these, but my other one worked and I was happy with it. It did the job. I'd even gotten some cleaner for it because it was starting to show some icky. This is awesome. I love this. But what's your favorite iron? What iron do you use? And I said if you're looking to get a new one or you're wanting to check this out, check out that link in the description. But kind of let me know what your preferred iron might be. What features do you look for when you're getting an iron? Maybe yours dies, goes on the fritz. What features are you going to look for when you get a new iron? I really would be interested in knowing, and I'm going to bet you a lot of my viewers will be interested too, because I have had that question. What kind of iron do I have? What do I look for? So help me out here. What kind do you have? What do you look for? Would love to hear from you. Be sure to check out our group on Facebook, Sewing and Crocheting for Beginners. And I think I'm going to change the name of it. I think we may expand just a little bit to more than just sewing and crocheting and quilting. I think we may have to add in and more. So let's put our creative caps on. Let's see what we can get done in this next year. And let's make this a great, creative, sewing, crafting year. And I cannot wait for you to join me. And I am so excited that you're joining me this year, helping me explore new avenues, learn new things, and I hope you enjoy watching too. Have a wonderful day, and we will see you next time, right here on Crazy Dave's Crew. Thanks so much for watching.